This is Dr. R. Oblakunda Reddy, Department of CSC Cybersecurity. Now, in this session, we discuss on consuming cloud services. So, first, initially, we see that what is a cloud. So, in this diagram, we observed here, this is the cloud which is providing the platform as a service, infrastructure as a service, software as a service, IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. Now this one which has to, for example, this diagram which is cloud, assume that which has to provide it with a software or infrastructure or maybe a platform as a service. This which provide the services to different end users like these systems. And here now, for example, different devices which has to be there now. Observe mobile devices and end users, which has the services which are provided with a different users at a rental basis. Now see, observe here, what is the cloud? So cloud in the it is in terms. Now we can write as it's all of things you can access remotely over the internet. All services we can access through the internet. When something is in the cloud, it means it is stored on internet servers instead of your computer hard drive. Something I want to store a data. Then the data has to be stored into a cloud. Then instead of your hard drive, so instead of your hard drive, you can store the data has to be kept into a cloud. Anywhere we can access through the internet, we can access anywhere. The term again, see here, the term cloud is used to metaphor for the internet. Based on the cloud, drawing used in the past to represent telephone network, and later to depict the internet in computer network diagrams as an abstraction of the underlying infrastructure it represents. Now see here, what is the cloud computing? It is a cloud computing is the on-demand availability of a computer, like system resources, especially the data storage and computing power without direct active management by the user. These are all the three services which are providing in cloud computing. IaaS, infrastructure as a service, and second thing is a platform as a service, and third one is a software as a service. Now see here, what do you mean by the cloud service? So now cloud services are services which are available via remote cloud computing server rather than on-site server. So which has to be provide the services to anywhere, not on some place. It has to provide it with anywhere. So here these scalable solutions are managed by third party and provide user with access to computing resources, computing services, which has analytics or networking via the internet. Now see here, what do you mean by the cloud service provider, CSP? So which is a third party company which is offering a rental basis, offering a cloud based platform, infrastructure, application of storage devices, which are rental basis, which has to providing as platform and the infrastructure, application are storage devices. So which like a homeowner would pay utility of such as electricity or gas. Companies typically to pay only for the amount of cloud services they use as business demands requires. So how much of time we to require that, and how much of resources are utilized. Based on that one, we have to pay rental amount, like just our using of a gas, like electricity bill, like that. We can similarly we can use of whatever we can use the cloud services, that it should be provided with a amount. What are the services to you can access it, that how much time, based on that how much storage is. So based on that one, you have to pay the amount. So that is a service provider, that is the third party which has to provide it the services. Now cloud computing is an application based software infrastructure that stores the data on remote remote servers, which can be accessed through the internet. And cloud computing service provider usually maintain multiple copies of data, mitigate instance of security threats, data loss, or data breach, etc. Now, we are providing top 6 cloud service providers: Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, Alibaba Cloud, IBM Cloud, Oracle Cloud. These are all the majorly 6 cloud services provider. Now see one by one now. Amazon AWS, Amazon Web Services. So AWS, simply short form write as AWS, offers hundreds of services. Some of these include virtual private cloud. You can provide with a virtually private cloud, EC2, AWS data transfer, simple storage service, and DynamoDB, Elastic Compute Cloud, AWS Key Management Service, Amazon CloudWatch, Simple Notification Service, and Relational Database Service, Route 53, Simple Queue Service, CloudTribe, and Simple Email Service, which are all the services provided at Amazon Web Services, AWS. This is following graphic is a list of various categories services available in AWS. The right side of the list includes the AWS feature services also. And second thing is Microsoft Azure. Now this is provided, Azure offers hundreds of, which is also provided with hundreds of services with various categories, including artificial AI plus machine learning and analytics, blockchain, which is providing security, compute, blockchain compute and containers, databases, developer tools, DevApps, identity, integration, Internet IoT, Internet of Things, management, media, Microsoft Azure stack, migration, mixed reality, mobile networking, security, storage, web, Windows virtual desktops, which are all services provided with all these services provided with a Microsoft Azure. Now, this Azure's most advanced security product and services, which are provided as most advanced security products and services, Microsoft Azure. This is a symbol for that, Microsoft Azure. Now, third thing, IBM Cloud, which is providing for a business purposes. Now, IBM Cloud developed by, which has to be IBM Cloud, which is developed by IBM, is a set of cloud computing services for businesses. Similar to other cloud service provider, like the IBM Cloud includes infrastructure as a service, software as a service, and PaaS, platform as a service. The services via 3 networks like public, private, and hybrid cloud models. The services as SaaS, PaaS, these 3 services which are provided with a different cloud models like a public or private or maybe a hybrid models. Then which has to compute and which doing for computing, network, storage, cloud packs, management, security, databases, analytics, business analytics, AI, IoT, mobile, dev tools, blockchain, integration, migration, private cloud, and virtual ware. So these are all the services which are providing at a IBM Cloud for business purposes, with including business services also. We will perform with different activities like this. Then what is the renewal? Approximately it has a $91.16 billion, which has to provide with annual revenue generated as IBM Cloud. So this is. And next thing is a Google Cloud. So Google Cloud platform is produced by it's a Google Cloud, similar to AWS Azure, which is similar like AWS and Azure. This Google Cloud also offers similar services in various categories, including compute, storage, identity, security, databases, AI, and machine learning, virtualization, DevOps, and more services has to be provided here. These are the complete product and services categories for a Google Cloud Platform services. In addition to this, we have observed that AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning, API, application programming, interface management, compute, containers, data analytics for business purposes, databases, developer tools, healthcare, life sciences, hybrid and multi-cloud, Internet of Things, management tools, media and gaming, migration, networking, security, identity, and serverless computing and storage. These are all the services provided with a Google Cloud. So Google product also offered in Google Cloud, including Google Site, Google Maps platform, Google Hardware, Google Identity, Chrome Enterprises, Android Enterprise, and these are Arbitra. So these are all the different Google products which are included at a Google Cloud. This is the fourth type of services. And next is Oracle Cloud. So this Oracle Cloud provides with a total data. It has to provide with a databases. Now data cloud, Oracle Cloud Platform is the cloud offering of Oracle Corporation. Then Oracle Cloud offers which has as PaaS and data as a service. Data as a service. This is a different DaaS. Data as a service. Data which is providing with a more data. Oracle offer include the following: Oracle infrastructure as a service offers are compute, storage, networking, governance, databases, load balancing, DNS monitoring, and Revelo and Fast Connect. So Oracle PaaS offers are data management, application development, integration, business analytics, security, management, and content and enterprises. Oracle SaaS offerings to CX, SCM, ERP, SCM, EPM, IoT, analytics, data, and blockchain applications. Oracle DaaS is the Oracle Data Cloud, which mainly provided with a DaaS, Oracle Data Cloud. So this is a symbolic representation of the Oracle Data. Now, Alibaba Cloud. This is the last thing. So Alibaba Cloud, founded in the year 2009, is registered and headquartered in Singapore. It was initially built to serve Alibaba's own e-commerce ecosystems. This is purely for generated with the e-commerce ecosystems and is now offered for the public. So Alibaba Cloud is the largest cloud provider in China, which is in mostly used at a China country. Alibaba offers various products and services in various categories, including elastic computing, storage, and CDN, networking, databases, services, security, and monitoring, management, domain and websites, analytics, data technology, application services, media services, middleware, cloud communications, Apsara stacks, and Internet of Things. So these are all the services which are provided at the Alibaba Cloud. So I collecting sources from these are all the different sources. I collecting the data from this.
Like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.